Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to manually add flights to Flightly. Now Flightly is an app where you can do the real life tracking, updates, and get also notifications and detailed flight insights from the Flightly app. Now to manually add the flights to the Flightly, make sure that you have installed the Flightly app on your device. So if you have not, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And to manually add the flights on Flightly, make sure that your device is also connected to the Wi-Fi or any kind of data on the device. So if you are not connected to it, you may not be able to add the flights manually. So after that, you need to open the Flightly app. So open the Flightly app on your device, and here you will see various options on the Flightly app. So to add the flights manually on Flightly, you need to search the flights which you want to add manually. So you may search the flights by the route or flights by the number, or you'll also see the suggested flights. So you may click on the option of suggested flight if you think that is the flight you are looking for. So let's say if I want to add this. Now from here you need to type the flight number, and you need to type the airline name, and you need to also select the departure and the arrival airport from here. So you need to select the date from here. You may also choose the calendar, and the Flightly will automatically detect the information, and you will see the available options for your flight, and you may track the flight after entering the flight number or also by searching the airports. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to add the flights manually to the Flightly account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.